What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over Polygon. Currently we're sitting at $1.89. We're down about 1.2 on the day. We're sitting on market cap of 12.320 billion. 24-hour volume 1.5 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives depending on the level of card that you have. So let's hop into Matic, guys. So you can see here two of our buy zones were hit. So if you're dollar cost averaging into your trade, that brought your average price right down to about $1.89 if you're spot trading here. So that was a nice little trade opportunity up to this level of resistance at about 4%. So that's basically the method of this strategy. You hit your buy zones, bringing down your average price, and then you sell at resistance. All right, guys. Now we do have a reversal pattern here for Matic, which is a really bullish sign. I am seeing a lot of reversals for the alts across the board. So hopefully we see our breakout soon with Bitcoin. All right, guys. So we have a little bit of inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if you do see us come up and break this neckline, could take Matic all the way up here to about $2.12. You can see we beautifully bounced off the 200 EMA. And if we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, we bounced off the 55. So if we can break out of this pattern, gets us back above the EMAs, and we're looking good to go for continuation. We do have this third buy zone here down at 169, but I don't think that's the likely scenario that we come all the way down to that previous level of support. But of course, anything is possible in the crazy crypto game. All right, guys, let's quickly go over Ethereum. So Ethereum has some sort of descending broadening wedge or a bull flag going on that we've broken out of. So if we can hold the EMAs here, could bring us back up to about 4482. And if you're seeing this as a bull flag, this is a massive breakout target that could bring ETH, wow, absolutely legendary price target up here at 4894 for ETH. However, guys, we do have our bearish divergence here on the daily. As you can see, we're creating higher highs, we're creating lower highs. So we do want to see us break our all-time high pretty soon, because if we continue to hit it as resistance, then a higher likelihood you're going to roll over and possibly come back down to 3984, and then we have 3635. I do think we're going to break out rather soon. I'm a bit biased to the upside just due to the fact that November is historically a very bullish month for crypto, and I think we're due to break out pretty soon. But I could be wrong, guys. This bearish divergence plays out and we come back down to 3635. I just don't think it's the likely scenario here for ETH. Actually, something interesting that I noticed here with Bitcoin. Now, of course, this doesn't have to repeat itself, but if we look at the last bull run here in 2017 and we come to November, so here's the end of October, here's the 31st November, we saw a little bit of climb, and then about November 6, 7, we dumped all the way down to the 55, and that was a correction for Bitcoin of about 21%. Now, Bitcoin here has already had, let me scroll back here, has already just went through a correction here. Let's pull it back for our current price. So Bitcoin is already corrected. Let me take a little measurement here. Yeah, about 10-11%. So that most likely is the correction that we were looking for before continuation, in my opinion. But in the first week of November in 2017, we came all the way back down to the 55 EMA, which is at about 54K for Bitcoin. So just something I wanted to put onto your radar. Doesn't mean it has to repeat itself, but I thought I'd go back and look at November from 2017's bull run. And November 7th, 8th, we dumped all the way down to the 55 EMA. So just something to keep in mind, all right, guys? But in my opinion, we're seeing a reversal pattern for Bitcoin as well, inverse head and shoulders. So I do think we have a good opportunity to bounce back to the upside here. So we'll finish off the video for Matic. If you see us start to creep up and break this neckline, do target $2.12. If you did dollar cost average into your trade, hopefully you took some profits here at this level of resistance. And then if we do come back down to this level of support at 181, can give you another opportunity to enter your trade. Then financial advice, just if you are dollar cost averaging into your trades, you can use it as reference. All right, guys, so do target 181 as your level of support. What we want to see with this inverse head and shoulders is we come up, we break this neckline, and we can head up to 218. All right, guys, or 212. So that's it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.